January 7th, 2024, just after 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or Eastern Time, here in Bangor, Maine, and it just started snowing. We've got that big storm coming up the East Coast. It's really impacting, down southern Maine, and certainly Boston, Massachusetts is going to get hit really hard, and southern Maine is also. We're expecting 3 to 6 inches here, so nothing major, but it started snowing a lot later than had predicted. So we are only under a winter weather advisory, not a full storm warning. And you can see it starting to accumulate somewhat here. Well, try and get some more video later this afternoon before sunset.